Hi, my name is Magda. What are you doing to improve this year? I am organizing my time better. I have been waking up earlier and working more concentrated. I stopped watching series, movies, and other unproductive content. What do you think your best friend is doing right now? My best friend's name is Christian. At this moment, he must be playing video games. It is his favorite hobby. We like to play Free Fire a lot. Are you reading any interesting book these days? Which ones? Lately, I have been reading an application called Wattpad, a series of books called Open the Windows. That book seems very interesting to me, and its author, Adriana Godoy, could not have done it better. What TV shows are you watching now? Although I have stopped watching so many series lately, I was very interested in the last seasons of Grey's Anatomy. I had already followed it for a while and decided to finish watching it. Think of your favorite celebrity. What do you think they are doing right now? My favorite celebrity is Robert Downey. I love his movies and especially his Iron Man performance at that time, I think. Who must be spending his millions on something extravagant like his personality. Who are you hanging out with a lot these days? Lately, I have been going out more with my husband. We have been having more moments as a couple. We had stopped doing inside. We were very busy with our work. What projects are you working on this week? This week I have been thinking a lot with my husband about changing cars. We will like a car much bigger. What are you studying these days? In those days that have been studying and perfecting my English, I would like to learn a little more this language since it is very useful these days. Show your partner a picture on your phone. Describe what is happening in the photo. In this image, my husband is playing soccer. It is one of his favorite hobbies, and I really enjoy watching him play. He looks very happy. What is your favorite sport team? How are they doing this season? My favorite team is Deportivo Cali. I am a very faithful fan of that team, and in this last season they have been doing very well. They have won almost all their matches and are already in the final. What are some activities you like to do? I would very much like to practice shark diving. It looks very interesting and risky. I like things that have action and adventure. What are some good habits that we have? Some good habits that I have are exercising, eating well, constantly drinking water, not eating junk food, fried foods, and saturated things that keep me in a great figure. What are some things you do every day? Generally, every day I get up at 7 in the morning. I take shower, fix my workspace at home, and I work every day until 5 in the afternoon. After that, I take advantage of a very short time to be able to enjoy some series of Netflix. Do you have any bad habits? A bad habit that I have and that I cannot stop is that I don't make my bed since I was little. I have not done it and I do not plan to start now. What is something you should do every day but you don't? Something that should be every day is to make my bed well organized. But as I mentioned on it before, since I was little, I am a bit and I have not used it to do wonders ways. What is something you eat almost every day? Almost every day I had cereals and fruits for breakfast. A balanced and healthy diet is very important to me. What do you in the job? In my work, I keep the accounts of the company, of the owners of this. I manage all the money that goes into it. What is your morning routine? How about your evening routine? My morning routine is to get out of bed, go to get ready and wash, take a bath, have breakfast and exercise, and my night routine is to watch whatever is on TV as long as there is action and adventure is fine for me. Is there anything you do only once a year? Something I always do every year is to go to the beach with my husband. We enjoy this type of plan and for time to time a real getaway is good. What is something you do about once every month? Something always to with my husband at least one time a month is to go to the cinema. I like movies a lot and more if they are action and adventure.